Every 39 seconds, a hacker attacks someone online. That could be you, right now, as you're watching this. But what really happens in the hidden world of cybersecurity? It's a world most people never see. A constant battle fought in the digital shadows. In this video, you'll discover secrets that will change how you see the internet forever. Cybersecurity isn't just a concern for governments or big corporations anymore. It's about you, it's about your money, your privacy, and your digital life. Every single year, countries like the USA, the UK, and all across Europe lose billions of dollars to cybercrime. But it's more than just money. Behind every click you make, every website you visit, there's a hidden war happening. This isn't just about protecting servers in a remote data center. It's about protecting your personal data, your bank accounts, and even your social media profiles from being hijacked. The truth is, most of us are completely exposed, and we don't even know it. We live our lives online, sharing everything, but we're blind to the invisible threats lurking just one click away. We need to wake up to this reality, because the fight for our digital lives is happening whether we're ready or not. So, how does this hidden defense system even work? At its most basic level, cybersecurity has a few layers. You've probably heard of firewalls, which act like digital gatekeepers, deciding what data gets in and what stays out. Then there's encryption, a process that scrambles your information into a secret code so that even if someone steals it, they can't read it. And of course, there are passwords, the keys to your digital kingdom. But here's a shocking fact that most people don't know. Weak passwords are the cause of over 80% of all data breaches. That simple, easy to remember password you've been using for years, it's practically an open invitation for a hacker. But here's the scary part. Hackers don't just steal passwords, they can take over your entire identity. The world of cybersecurity is a high-stakes game of cat and mouse. On one hand, it's the silent guardian that protects our modern world. It allows businesses to operate safely, governments to protect national secrets, and individuals like you and me to use the internet with a sense of security. Without it, our global economy would collapse. But on the other hand, the risks are growing at an insane pace. Hackers are constantly evolving, creating new methods to bypass even the strongest defenses. They are faster, more creative, and more relentless than ever before, and the financial cost is staggering. In 2024 alone, cybercrime is projected to cost the world over $10 trillion. That's more than the GDP of most countries combined. Think about that for a second. $10 trillion, stolen, extorted, or lost because of digital attacks. But the scariest part isn't the money. It's what hackers can do with your life. Once they have your data, they can sell it on the dark web. This is a hidden part of the internet where criminals buy and sell everything from credit card numbers to full identities. For just a few dollars, someone can buy your name, address, social security number, and enough information to pretend to be you. They can open bank accounts in your name, take out loans, and ruin your financial future. Or worse, they can launch a ransomware attack, locking up all your personal files, your photos, your documents, everything, and demanding money to get them back. Imagine losing every memory you've ever saved. That's the power they hold. So who are these people, fighting on either side of this invisible war? In the hidden world of cybersecurity, there are two main players, the defenders and the attackers. The attackers are often called black hat hackers. They break into systems for personal gain, to cause chaos, or for political reasons. But fighting against them are the white hat hackers. These are the good guys. Ethical hackers who companies and governments hire to find weaknesses in their systems before the black hats can exploit them. They think like a criminal in order to stop one. Behind the scenes, top-secret cybersecurity agencies work around the clock, tracking threats and stopping major attacks before they can make headlines. It's a silent, constant battle. And now, a new force has entered the battlefield: artificial intelligence. AI is being used by defenders to predict and stop attacks with incredible speed, but it's also being used by hackers to create smarter, more adaptive malware that can learn and change on its own. Imagine an AI hacking into systems faster than any human can possibly defend against. Who wins that war? We're already seeing the first wave of AI-driven cyber attacks, and they are terrifyingly effective. You might be thinking, this is all very interesting, but how does it affect me? The impact is everywhere. If you're a student, your school accounts could be hacked, your grades changed, or your personal information stolen. If you're a worker, your company could be targeted, leading to massive financial losses and even job cuts. For governments, it's a matter of national security, protecting everything from power grids to military secrets. Let's make this even more real. In Europe, hospitals have been forced to shut down and cancel urgent surgeries because hackers locked their entire systems with ransomware. Patients' lives were put at risk, not by a disease, but by a piece of code. This isn't a distant threat. It's happening right now, and it affects ordinary people in the most profound ways. But you are not powerless. Simple steps, like using strong, unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication, can make you a much harder target. Awareness is your first and best line of defense. But here's the final, biggest reveal. The hidden world of cybersecurity isn't just about hackers and data breaches. It's about control. In this digital age, information is power, and whoever wins this invisible war could control economies, influence elections, and even shape your personal freedom. They could decide what you see, what you believe, and what you're allowed to do. The question is no longer whether you'll be targeted. It's when this video opened your eyes to the hidden digital world around us. Hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever faced a cyber threat? And make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, because the next video may reveal secrets about the digital world that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. Thanks for watching.